Hey, what's up, fam? This is your boy Darren with Darmac Builders. Make sure you like and subscribe to my channel, and also let me know what videos you guys would like to see when it comes on to construction, new construction coming as far as ground up. Again, I kind of like showed this before, but this is a townhouse project that we're working on, and as you can see, we had to do a little change order here. When I say little, it was not quite little. We reconfigured this bathroom that's on the first floor, and had to go through the same process. We got the structural steel here that we drilled in epoxy into the existing slab, as you can see right there. We got the vapor barrier here. We sprayed it with pest because you disturb the earth. And we got the vapor barrier here. Taped it off so we don't have any open areas when it comes on to the vapor barrier. Keep your jobs clean, please. That's why we have a dumpster out here, even though we get people that come out here and throw things in here that we don't have. For example, you see this? There ain't no way we have sinks and toilets right now. But that's what you get when you're in a business. People say, we don't have no shingle tile here. I mean, shingle, roof shingle here, but it's in this garbage. It's in this dumpster that we're paying for. They started here with the painting. Okay. Again, this is the other side of the townhouse. Same thing. Whatever we did on that side, we did on this side as well. Concrete stairs. This whole project was very fun because this is concrete stairs that we built going up. Stairs, I'm not gonna take you all the way up, but it's basically where we are. Concrete stairs, window there. Sliding glass door there. I don't feel like walking up all the stairs, so I'm not gonna do it, okay? And eventually, as we go back here, pool's gonna be coming over here as well. All right, on the back, they started a painting on this. Okay, they protect the windows, so you don't have no spray on the windows you gotta take out. That's a good sign of painters doing that. What else we got going here? Again, back is all cleaned up. These pipes are plumber pipes. Oh, I still got some rebar over there I can take for another job. But again, keep your job sites clean, please. All right, this is the builder signing off. Peace.